In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish reports using Power BI service. We're taking a report you've built on your computer and making it available in the Power BI service so you can view it online and share it with your team. This process is simple, and I'll guide you through it with a few helpful tips along the way to avoid common hiccups. First, open Microsoft Power BI. Launch the Power BI desktop app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your environment. If you work in an organization, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with the correct account so your report lands in the right online space once it's published. Next, open your report. Select the TBX file you want to publish. It's a good idea to glance over your visuals and filters to confirm everything looks the way you expect, and that any data connections are accessible from your machine. If the report depends on local files or restricted sources, just be aware that the Power BI service may need a data gateway later to refresh it automatically. Now click on Home. The Home tab in the ribbon is where you'll find the key commands for getting your work online. If you've been exploring other menus, switching back to Home ensures the Publish button is easy to spot and ready to use. Then click on Publish. This tells Power BI Desktop to package your report and dataset and send them to the Power BI service. You might see a brief prompt or a progress message. That's normal. Publishing creates a hosted version of your report online, so you can open it in a browser, add it to dashboards, and manage access for colleagues. If any compatibility notices appear, read them so you know what to review later, but you can continue with publishing as needed. When prompted, click on Save. Saving captures your latest edits in the local file before the publish action completes. This helps keep your source file in sync with the version you just sent to the service and prevents any last-minute changes from being left behind. It's also a best practice to use clear file names and, if you're collaborating, to store that file in a secure, backed-up location. That's it. After publishing finishes, your report is available in the Power BI service, ready to open in a browser, share with stakeholders, and update by republishing whenever you make improvements. To recap, open Power BI, open your report, make sure you're on Home, click Publish, and click Save. You're all set to bring your insights to the web.